Alright, today we're going to be making a adapter for a Mikuni TM40. It's going to look a lot like this when it's done, except it'll be blue. So this is what the mold looks like. You can tell it's well used. So inside there's the plug, and then you see notes of the last casting I did, the red one, and it's a 3-piece mold. It's already been treated with this, man, usually it's 200, piece of wood. Place the mold on the part of putting rubber bands on it. The trickiest part of this whole process was actually making the mold to begin with. That was a trick. But once you got the mold, so just showing you, this is my original sketch for the part that I started with, which was the factory, the OEM rubber airbox boot, and the simple math I did to figure out how much shorter it needed to be to fit to get to a part that's shorter than the airbox boot. So we'll start with this one. This is what we're using. We're pulling some Flex at 90 today. I'm going for 1-for-1, so we're going to 23 here. First I'm going to mix the dye in. You can see it doesn't look like it's going to be very much of a color because this ambery color of the resin, but watch what happens. And we're off to the races. As soon as this stuff starts getting together, it starts reacting. There we go. Okay, now ready? Open out the weep holes at the top here in a second. There it is. That confirms that it filled the whole mold, and I'm holding it. So it comes out, plug in the hole like that. See how we did. Carefully cut the little bits that, and this is to start from the end here. See the little bits from the weep holes, kind of be gentle with them to let them pull out without ripping anything. Loose. The weep hole pieces pull out. Okay, looking pretty good. There we have it. About 4 hours at 155 degrees. I'll show you my little oven here. This is literally a cast iron pot that I have placed. Made an insulator out of silicone. But it's currently 67 degrees because I just turned it on. And a block of wood's just to keep the workpiece up off the bottom. So now I've got the almost finished workpiece in there. I'm gonna put a lid on it. complete. And the large cast iron oven. And this, any deformations, any QA process here would be one of the things we check. The correct target weight is about 28 grams. Anything less than 28.740 grams, so that's good. Get our drawing around the edge. It's kind of tricky. You see we're hitting about 75 there. We're checking for consistency. There we go. There's our last check on this thing. Now I'm gonna run through a little checklist and we'll get it in the mail.